You're standing at the final summit of VCE English. All the work from the entire year, the creative responses, the deep textual analysis, now consolidates into one thing: exam-ready competence. This isn't about last-minute cramming, it's about strategic preparation. First, your foundation. The checklist is non-negotiable. Do you know both of your texts intimately? We're talking characters, plots, themes, and context. You need 12 to 15 key quotes memorized for each one, about 25 total. Can you weave those texts together into a strong, integrated comparative essay under pressure? Practice that specific skill until it feels like second nature. Identify your weakest area right now and focus your final energy there. Then comes game day. This is where strategy overrides stress. Arrive early. Your 15 minutes of reading time is sacred. Use it to choose your best prompt, plan a sharp comparative thesis, and outline your entire essay. This is your blueprint. When writing begins, you're not thinking, you're executing. Maintain integration, balance your evidence, and keep one eye on the clock. In the last few minutes, do a quick proofread. Did you answer the question? Are both texts present? And the nerves? They're normal. In fact, they're useful. Reframe that anxiety as your body getting ready to perform. Breathe deeply. Plant your feet on the floor. Trust the work you've already done. Remember, this exam is a snapshot of your performance, not a measure of your potential. More importantly, you've built something that lasts far beyond this one day: a sophisticated literacy. The ability to think critically, write strategically, and argue persuasively will serve you for a lifetime. You're prepared. You know the material. Now go in and demonstrate it. You've got this.